Subject Physical Education for class 11th, Unit 9, Psychology and Sports. In this unit, we will carry on the topic today, developmental characteristics at different stages of growth. Part 5. In this part 5, we will take the topic later childhood stage. Later childhood stage has come just after the early childhood stage of a child. In this stage, it has started from 7 to 12 years of age. In this of age, the childhood, it is most important stage of the child. They gain some slight improvement in flexibility and coordination, strength, endurance and speed also. So, thus we have to see there are a lot of playful activities should be there in their curriculum, like sports or games, running, obstacle running, jumping, dribbling, the ball, etc. These are the some playful activities has involved in his career or in this stage. And along with this, the calisthenics exercises, modify games, yoga, asanas, the child has done also in this age especially. The child should be guided about positive social activities, team effort along with the hygienic habits in this stage. During this stage, the growth is very slow, or we can say in this age the growth is very slower, and then development is very rapid or fast. Muscles gain strength due to the physical activities or more physical activities, and neuromuscular coordination is also improved. Intellectual development comes through repetitions, practice or experience, and the social development comes through from family members and friends. Emotional changes brings close interaction between friends also. Interest develops during this age and it further develops the attitude of child also. In this age especially the child has a lot of energy to do the all activities. Thus during this stage the child should perform a lot of activities and lot of learning also. On the behalf of that, the child has learned many things in this stage. Good education should be given to the guided properly. Hygienic habits and moral values should be enforced. Logical explanations, guidance should be given during this age also. The child should be provided a healthy atmosphere to participate in physical activities. It means we can say also that in this later childhood stage, it has started from 7 to 12 years of age. In this stage, the child has learned most important things in this age also. And on the behalf of these ages, and on the behalf of the learning of the different things or various things in this age especially, they have affected of the whole year or whole age of the child. That's why it is most important thing. So on the behalf this brief detail we have to know about the later childhood stage of a child. Thank you.